Hey guys, welcome back to another devlog video. I've actually done a lot since the last time I recorded one of these. I think last time I said I was going to start working on the inventory system, the particle system, and I did just that. But when I started the inventory, I realized that I needed a way to like display what item the NPC or player had equipped. So I went ahead and also made a partial animation system. So let's go ahead and start it back up. So as you can see, when you press tab, here's an inventory. I just added some like temporary weapons. Of course, I'm going to change the inventory with like a whole UI overhaul pretty soon, but I just kind of wanted like a basic concept of like what it would be like. This would be like the currently equipped item, and I guess I'll add some more slots here or somewhere around the screen, like over here in this area, telling the user like what the player has equipped. So let me just get into that real quick. Hold on. So as you can see, like when you move your mouse around, the player has sprites that are like kind of interpolated between the positions. So gives this really cool, smooth looking look. Like his head turns a little bit faster than the rest of his body, and then also a little bit faster than his hands. And I can change all of these values to make like each NPC a little bit more unique. And also I can just straight up swap out these textures to anything I want. So it's really cool. It's kind of dynamic, and it just allows for like a whole lot more, I don't know, like variation, I guess. Okay, cool. So let's get into the particle system. Let me go ahead and turn on. If I can find player. Let's go ahead and turn on the emitter for the player. Okay. So you can see the player has like this little, like these red particles shooting out of him. I guess I'll use this for like some type of, maybe like a blood splat effect. Of course, it'll be like a little bit different, maybe a little bit more or less intensity, and they'll move a little bit faster or slower. But for now, that's the particle system. And the cool thing about it is I can use the particle system just about anywhere. So like, for example, weapons. Let me turn this guy off, because that's kind of annoying. So, like, this is what I call I think I call this a fusion rifle. And also, like, in-game world sprites, they also work the same way as the animation system. So, that's pretty cool. But, yeah, they also utilize the particle system. So when I shoot, they make this really cool beam-looking effect. And NPCs have like this same capability too. I just turned it off for them being able to shoot because it was kind of annoying. But you can see that the system is able to like handle like a lot of particles. Like right now, just a single beam weapon caps it out around 6,300 active particles. And I think it can go up to like 20,000 particles. Of course, this will change. This will like change depending on how fast your CPU is. And also, the way that this works is with the use of ray casting. So first it like it shoots a ray, finding out what the beam is able to hit, and then it just draws particles along that beam. And so I can use this to spawn some NPCs here, and here. I think they're going to spawn with their own weapons. Yeah. But they don't fire. I turned off their ability to fire. Yeah, so I'm able to shoot them. They don't die yet because right now I'm working on some AI for them. So, like I said, the only thing they have to do is not try to kill me. Like, they should have more jobs and stuff, so let's turn that off for them right now. But yeah, I'm able to shoot them, and it's able to like interact with the walls and stuff, meaning that the walls can be destructible, just like NPCs, because they're treated as the same entity. Like everything here is derived off Unity. I think if it was Unity, it would be like a game object. So pretty cool. What else was I going to show you guys? Oh yeah, this other weapon, like a laser rifle or something. It just shoots one beam at a time. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll go into like a little bit more of the. Well, let's go to the weapons class. Fusion rifle. And this is the guy. So as you can see here, the way that I have the particle system set up is I can just add particles to a certain point, and then I have like all of these modifiers for it. So I'm able to have like these really cool dynamic looking things without much work. So I wanted to change the beam from purple to something like, I think black would be cool. Let's try that out. Oh, it does look cool. It'd be like a black beam. Of course, this little explosion effect over here, that's because I also have like a separate particle for the actual hit point. I can go back over there. I'm gonna have that one up here. Yep. Change that to black. Yeah. Looks like some type of death right now. Well, it was pretty deadly before, but still you get the point. So that's what I like about the particle system. And the animation system, if we can get into that. Well, it's mostly, it's not really even an animation system. It's more like just a bunch of layers that all rotate at different rates. But because they're all separated into layers and they kind of operate on like the keyframe notation, I can like give it a JSON file of multiple keyframes and be able to like play multiple animations. I could add another hand, for example, to our main player. If I just give him something else, like let's make that into 11, and then project that out to 20. So what I'm editing here is like the offset of the hand from like the center point of the player. See if that works. Well, there's another hand there. Yeah, there's another hand. Oh, I've got a really cool idea. So what if we wanted like aliens in the game, for example? We could just keep adding hands to it. B11 divided by 2. So it'd be like 5.5 maybe. And 2.5. F. My math is bad, so don't trust anything I say. Yeah, it's kind of, you get the point. Oh, it'd be 11, then negative 11. Let's remove this one. Yeah. So now it's like our player is some type of alien. So it'd be really easy to just make new types of factions with this system. Man, I need to implement dual wielding. That'd be really cool. But yeah. Let's see here. I don't think there's anything else that I need to show you guys. Right now I'm working on some actual AI for these guys and fleshing out this world with shops and just missions. But first I need like the AI. I'm going to be using finite state machines and goal-oriented action planning for that. So it should be pretty cool once it's all done. But that's all for today's videos. Thanks for watching.